Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Today I will speak about stock market for beginners 2021. So again, today I'll speak about stock markets for beginner, how you can pick stock or you can share. Uh, Normally, I speak about all about the stock, share, derivatives, options, ETF, trading fund, mutual fund, and of course the forex, day trading, and swing trading, and long-term trading. Now, about the stock picking, this is a very tough thing. This involves two things. One is fundamental things and another is technical things. And also, as a broker, how you do it, like active broking and passive broking. Now, what is active broking? Active broking is like someone involved with all the stock picking or researching and finding from big to slowly a specific company share. And passive, someone invest in, uh, there are many ETF, exchange trading fund or mutual fund, this kind of things. Now, how you find a share is good or picking. Well, I'm speaking about the all beginners and all simple way. Finding a share, there is a need about the seeing their last few years about the balance sheet, what is the assets and liabilities, and what is in profit and loss income statement, and important also cash flow. This how much cash coming and going, or is there any company huge loan or borrowing? All those things in you can say all accounting thing, and also about the ratio analysis. Ratio analysis is gearing and profitability ratio, capital ratio, current ratio. So, how you can do it? Some people they go a lot of research. And there is a lot of information about the like Yahoo Finance, Bloomberg, FT Financial Times, and also FTSE 100, and all the information. Now, about these things, about this information, the most important, which way you want to go. You want to go in a fundamental analysis way, or you want to go technical way. Well, the question is coming the technical way. Then there is a coming about the old charts and all candles and old channels and old trends. Same like forex. So same like shares. All the charts and all this analysis and this what would be the next price tomorrow or next week or next month. But the fundamental things is a lot of historical things of the company, even the company's management, that who is the chief executive of the company, CEO or chairman or board of directors, and they have their credibility, and all those things because CEO, his activity or his past performance make the company in a positive way or stronger way. So this is also information, and also information about especially the companies like pharmaceutical companies and all those things. Are there any research or a new medicine coming in the market? So this is also very important. And the utilities companies, that is a very steady companies, long time. They have their own standard. It's not going to suddenly jump in like all internet companies or social media companies or we call say new technology companies. This is a huge price up, maybe share whatever it is, huge up and huge down. But the stable company, FTSE 100 or long time established company or utilities company, there is a steady up or steady down, and also they pay the dividend, regular income also. So there are two-way income. One is the dividend way someone get the money, and also the share value or capital increases. Uh, so this is one of the things, and also important about the thinking about a specific sector. First, you think about the global economy, how the global economy is going, and then national economy, how these countries, all these specific, and also then the sector of the industry, and then core competitors of the specific, like a lot of utility companies. There are many electrical companies, and what is the competitor position. And same way many mobile companies also like those things. Water companies, many water companies, all those things. So this is the way to finding this a company specific share, that exactly real price, how much, and it would be how much the dividend can earn, or in future the share price will increase, you know. And the other one is a no risk investment, like to invest to the mutual fund or exchange traded fund. So they are just to take some share from there, and this is the things. Uh, and no risk investment, you can buy the government bond, you know, the government bond, and this is the fixed income we call this bond. So in this government bond, there is a regular annual the premium they will pay, or it will be accumulated of these government bond premiums, and this is the things. So this government bond is a fixed income. There is a certain of the percentage they will pay, and it is not go up and down, or it is a fixed. And this is also, there is no risk in the government bond, you know. Also the municipal bond, corporate bond, and also about the some companies also issuing the bond, you know. So this is these things you can buy the shares and then you can invest. And then there is another is called alternative investment. That is the different of the alternative investment like buying the derivatives or options or swaps or CDO or CDS and also commodities like the oil, mineral, and also grains and all those things we call alternative investments. There is a lot of opportunity also there. There are companies. They will say on that also there are a lot of the unit trust there or the corporation companies. So that is also you can pick up these things. So there is a different options. So in that case, one has to research properly, and then this is the things. And also the no risk is the pension fund investments, and also the property, that is also the property investment, that is also one kind of risky. And property also directly property you can invest or the rate. There is some companies where the government setting up helping to the private companies and some rules and regulation of the REIT company, right company, that specifically for the property business setup. So you can also invest with the REIT or you can buy yourself in the property. So this is the things, and also you can invest in a gold, and you can invest even in solid gold, or you can invest in a gold. You can buy and hold it. This is the things also you can do it, and also some precious metal and all those things. So this is the things you can do it. About the stock, it is very important that to find out some of the stock is a high risk stock and some stock is very solidable stock, like utility stocks or these long established companies stocks like the FTSE 100 companies. But the stock or share of the newly established companies or the now all IT companies, software companies, or social media companies or new media companies, their share is going so much up and probability a high profit. So it is very important what sector someone you want to go. You want to go in a high risk sector or medium sector or low risk sector, and on that basis. Now about the some of the advisor or some of the people's advice that you on your capital a percentage you take a fixed or no risk investment, and some of the is a medium risk and some of the money you put in a high risk investment. That means they are saying that you don't put all the eggs in the same basket. You don't buy all the money invest in the high risk shares, or you don't buy all these no risks or fixed income, then you haven't earned that much. So you have to be a balance about how much you want your money in a risk and how much you want to earn. So there is a percentage wise analysis that I will put. Suppose I have 100,000 pounds. So on that 100,000 pound, maybe 50,000 I will put in a fixed income government bond, and then 30,000 I maybe buy this utility companies or FTSE share, and 20% I maybe invest in the high risks about the internet companies or the new media companies or technology companies, that if this shares, if it is swing high, then we can get a huge money, or if not, then this go. So this is the way the planning about this, the your whatever money, no risks, medium risks, and high risks. This is the way someone has to pick the investment or pick the sector of the investment. Uh, I will speak more about the details about the sector by all those things, and also I will speak about, of course, this the fundamental things about the fundamental things. Investment, lot of education. The master of the education is called CFA, Chartered Financial Analyst. They are the gold educations, and also other Kaya, and also CC, these things, and of course the IFS, the SIFA, the certificate of financial analysis, all those things. So I will explain more about some of the educations, or some of the nowadays even some people can learn from the little investments idea, from the some of the courses from Udemy or FutureLearn or Coursera, and some many other online courses about the stock market, stock picking, and best stock pick, and income source, and also the investing for beginners. All the courses in Udemy, and also Coursera, FutureLearn, and some other online you can search and you can learn about these things, because when you investing, you must know that exactly what is the share value, or what would be happen about this stock, share, option, derivatives, or what you want. And I will speak. I will make more video about these things. And thank you very much. And I will make another video. Thank you.